Right, got a stump. This is the smallest. The width here is about 21.5, which will just squeeze through. I'm going to have to plane it, cut it this way. And if I were to have this end up, that wouldn't work. Right. Alright, well, I don't have any help today. I'm going to manhandle this 30 feet over there. Alright, that's dry. First cut. Well, wet doesn't show off much. Looks better in person. Let's go over to the log. That's better. That's the tree end. And this is the root end. That's cutting down about an inch. Now I'm going to flip it over. And we'll finish it off. Well, there's the first cut on the opposite side. I promise.